Okay, this is Leanne. This is Jeremy. Jeremy the spider monkey. Jeremy. I love your mother's friend. This is Julia. Okay, stop.
Okay, yeah, so my day was pretty boring. What about yours? I don't know. Okay. I had a salad for lunch.
I had a salad too, and oh my god, it was good. But we have a new student.
Oh yeah, sure.
Oh yeah. Sorry about us being lame. I'm just hungry. Yeah,
Lucius Crocker.
I want to give a shout out to my friend. Hey Lucius! He's my black lover! Lucius, I love you! See, are you my friend? Yeah. My friend, of course.
Are you videotaping me?
No,
don't say videotape me.
Bye, Jeremy. Bye. Yes. You'll be on YouTube.
I'm a terrorist.
You're not a terrorist.
For the Islam. The Islamic movement.
Going on YouTube. Okay, so we can just like chill. Hey Josh. Hey Josh. This is my other friend. No, my phone is this phone, baby.
Oh, sweet. Oh, you got a text message.
Yes. This is Josh.
Slides open.
Oh yeah, guys, this is in our band room at school. See, school.
You can't go farther than that.
That's Josh. Josh.
Hey.
Say hi to YouTube.
Oh, this is YouTube.
Good.
Ooh, YouTube.
Okay, so
That's a cool phone. How
I
you
don't know what happened today. Tomorrow we got an essay. Got to
Can't
say
do it
for
either.
beds our freaking paragraph, and is there me? Can you see me?
Yeah.
And a final draft. It's gonna be really clear. And no Lucius.
There's the butt thing. How you do it?
The butt thing.
How you do it? Oh, do it like that. See my butt. Look at this.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
sorry.
Text you, so it's your dog, okay?
Hey, there's her
Everybody
quad.
done dog.
Julia, play something on the quad. Play it right now.
Yeah, Jeremy.
Okay, play something. Hey,
Well, I have to go. I have to go to football practice.
I'm out of here. Play something on the quad.
You don't wanna, is this the MV2?
Yeah, play something right now.
You're waiting for Jeremy. No, play.
Play. Play while he's waiting. Play! Play while he's waiting. Play Watermelon Man. Hold up, what the fuck is pad? Okay, they're the same. Okay, play
Hey, here
something.
you go. I gotta go.
No, they are.
Bye, Josh. No, I see if they're like something's wrong. Play it. Oh, we just got yelled at. I'm sorry. Julia, you're amazing.
Bye, YouTube.
Come on, Jeremy.
Close the door.
Jeremy. Are we friends, Jeremy? Are we friends now?
I just thought you did that.
So, are we acquaintances? Are we just class?